This building has been renovated, and now we have to determine the air exchange rate. To do this, I will now install the device in the window. And first of all, I will attach the ceiling canvas to the fan with the fastening belt. The Wöhler BC 600 is now installed in the window. You just have to decide whether to install it on the left or on the right. Because here the window sash is on the right, I decided to install the device on the left-hand side. The BC 600 is placed in the window frame together with the ceiling canvas. And now I can use the clamps and telescopic rod to mount the device in the window.
Das Gerät im Fenster fixieren.
The ceiling canvas is supposed to create a tight layer all around the frame, whereby the BC 600 already seals the lower area and the side through its housing. The remaining sealing is then done with the clamps.
Mit den Klammern.
There are two types of clamps, short clamps and long clamps, which means you always have enough of them to completely clamp the ceiling canvas onto the window.
Diese Folie komplett im Fenster einzuspannen.
To put the clamp into place, I move the clamp up the ceiling canvas, up to the frame. Then I open the clamp and then clamp it into the frame together with the ceiling canvas.